Clue video.
Congratulations, you've made the right choice and purchased Strataglass, the finest flexible clear vinyl on the market. My name is Randy Buffler, representing IMR Products and Strataglass. Strataglass is a specially treated press polished vinyl sheet, optically clear and superior to other vinyls, including roller vinyl, extruded vinyl, and other uncoated press vinyl sheets. Strataglass has a special urethane coating that gives the soft vinyl its scratch-resistant properties, adds UV protection, and protects from environmental fallout. This coating is very thin and needs to be cared for properly. As always, it is better to protect before there's a problem rather than trying to restore it after it is damaged. The coating serves a dual purpose. It seals out the bad stuff while sealing in the good stuff. Strataglass gains its flexibility through plasticizers, which are a part of the vinyl's composition sealed in by the coating. If these plasticizers are allowed to leach out, the vinyl becomes brittle, changes color, and eventually burns and cracks. Think of a bowl of soup sealed with plastic wrap. If a hole develops in the plastic wrap, the soup will leak out, leaving you with an empty bowl. Likewise with Strataglass. If you breach the coating, it must be sealed as soon as possible to avoid further damage. This is done via multiple applications of the IMR Strataglass Protective Polish, which is a polymer-based product that builds upon itself with each application. Apply multiple light coats to seal the surface. This will not fix the damage, but will extend the life of your Strataglass by hindering further damage. Strataglass will last for many years if cared for properly. You should clean your curtains every time you wash the boat and periodically in between washings. Compare it to maintaining your brand new car. You want the car to stay new, so you wash it often and wax it periodically. Same thing with Strataglass. Keeping it clean with a fresh coat of polish will extend that new look. Always rinse first to remove any heavy contaminants such as dirt, salt, and bird droppings. Then wash with a gentle boat soap. We recommend the IMR Yacht Soap Concentrate, but any quality gentle boat soap will do. Avoid the use of Simple Green or Pine or anything that says detergent, or any wash and wax soaps. The panels can be washed with a clean, soft bristled brush, terry cloth towel, sponge, or wash mitt. Rinse with fresh water and dry. Panels can be dried with a chamois, a clean terry cloth, or Swabit's Quick Dry Water Blade. We recommend the water blade because it has a surgical grade silicone blade that will not scratch the surface of the vinyl, and it cuts the drying time immensely. It can also be fitted to the end of a pole through the use of an adapter, so you can dry those hard to reach panels. Polishing the Strataglass with the IMR Strataglass Protective Polish is recommended every 1 to 3 months, both inside and out, depending on the amount of sun and fallout it is exposed to. Polish is preferred over a wax-type product due to its bonding properties. Polish bonds to the surface and to itself, whereas the wax only coats. The IMR Strataglass Protective Polish comes in a convenient flip-top 16-ounce bottle, which allows you to add a small amount to your applicator. Apply in a light coat using overlapping circular motions until covered. Do not allow the product to remain on the surface any longer than necessary, just long enough to dry to a light haze. Letting it sit too long or applying more than needed only makes it harder to remove and does not add any additional benefit. Remove with a clean terry or microfiber cloth. Then buff to a brilliant shine with a microfiber cloth or cloth baby diaper. The polish is the real key to Strataglass's longevity. It is best to apply 2 coats when new, and then apply on a monthly to bi-monthly schedule thereafter. Remember, less is more. No matter how much you apply, only a thin coating bonds to the surface. Between washing and polishing, the use of the IMR Strataglass Protective Spray is recommended. It is a quick and effective spot detailer, and using it to clean the full panel on a regular basis will keep the glass looking shiny and new. It is formulated to complement the IMR Strataglass Protective Polish to enhance its performance, not strip it off. No matter what the expert on the dock says, the factory only recommends the IMR Strataglass Care products to maintain their Strataglass and their other products, and with good reason. IMR is specifically formulated as a vinyl cleaner, more specifically, a Strataglass vinyl cleaner, not a plastic cleaner that can also be used on vinyl. Plastic and vinyls have different properties, and the correct cleaner should be used for each. Recommendations of Pledge, Plexus, and Rain-X should be avoided. Each of these products look great when you first start using them, but over time build up and yellow, requiring premature replacement of the Strataglass. Why would you put an indoor furniture wax on an outdoor window? Suntan lotion is a necessity for boaters, but is a bad thing for Strataglass. Touching the panels with lotion on your hands or leaning up against the panel after applying suntan lotion will result in surface hazing of the Strataglass, and if not removed immediately, will become permanent. We always recommend having a bottle of the IMR Strataglass Protective Cleaner and a clean cloth on hand. Strataglass is the best performing vinyl on the market, but it still requires care. The scratch-resistant coating is just that, scratch-resistant. It can still be scratched and requires special handling. Please refer to the Strataglass.com website for complete recommendations.